Do you know the ultimate tool that redefines precision in foot care? It's the tool professionals swear by, the foot care knife. At first glance, it may look simple, but don't be fooled. This tool is a game changer for tackling tough calluses, removing dead skin, and maintaining the health of your feet. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the foot care knife properly, share real-life transformations, and even introduce you to some best practices to ensure safe and effective use. Why is the foot care knife so special? You might ask, why can't I just use a file nipper or other common tools? The answer is simple, those tools are limited. Foot files and nippers are great for surface care, but when it comes to thick calluses or stubborn dead skin, they often fall short. The foot care knife, however, is built for precision and versatility. Its sharp blade effortlessly removes layers of tough skin while allowing you to carefully target problem areas without harming healthy tissue. This is why it's a favorite for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Imagine this. You have thick calluses on your heels or dead skin built up along the edges of your toes. Regular tools might leave you frustrated, or worse, cause pain or injury. The foot care knife, with its sleek design and precise blade, handles these problems with ease. Steps for using the foot care knife. Let me guide you step by step so you can achieve professional results safely and effectively. Prepare your tool. Always start by cleaning and disinfecting your foot care knife. This step is critical to prevent infections, as foot care often involves direct contact with the skin. Use alcohol wipes or steam sterilization to ensure your tool is sanitized. Soak your feet. Before using the knife, soak your feet in warm water for 10-15 minutes. Add some foot soak salts or essential oils to soften the skin and create a relaxing experience. Once done, gently pat your feet dry with a clean towel. Identify problem areas. Examine your feet for calluses, hardened skin, or rough edges around your nails. These are the areas that need attention. Master the technique. Hold the knife at a slight angle and gently scrape away the dead skin or calluses. Use slow, controlled motions to remove the top layers of hardened skin. For example, look at this client's heel. After soaking, the thick, dry calluses have softened. Watch how the foot care knife removes them effortlessly, leaving the skin smooth and refreshed. The entire process is painless and precise, thanks to the knife's sharp, ergonomic design. Focus on nail edges and tough spots. The knife is also perfect for removing dead skin around nail edges and between toes. Carefully glide the blade along these areas to clean out debris and dead skin. The finish with post-care. After using the knife, rinse your feet again to remove any remaining debris. Apply a nourishing foot cream to lock in moisture, focusing on areas prone to dryness such as heels and toes. Finally, put on clean, breathable socks to protect your refreshed feet. Real-life transformations. Let me share a quick story. One client came to us with severely cracked heels and thick calluses that made walking uncomfortable. After just one session using the foot care knife, her feet looked dramatically better. She felt lighter and more confident, amazed at how effective this tool was. Another client had neglected the buildup of dead skin around her nails for months. Using the knife, we were able to clean and smooth out the area, leaving her nails looking polished and healthy. These cases prove that with the right tools and techniques, even the toughest foot problems can be resolved. Why choose Liansong Healthy Foot Spa? At Liansong Healthy Foot Spa, we bring together the art of traditional pedicure craftsmanship and the precision of modern foot care technology. Our mission is to provide every client with healthy, happy feet. Whether you're dealing with foot pain, calluses, or just looking for regular maintenance, our professional care ensures optimal results. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Liansong Healthy Foot Spa. We regularly share tips, tutorials, and real-life case studies to help you improve your foot care routine. Check the description below for links to book appointments, learn more about our services, or find recommendations for the best foot care products on the market. Final thoughts, thank you for watching. Remember, healthy feet lead to a healthier you. With the right tools, like the foot care knife, you can transform your foot care routine from basic to professional. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to share practical tips, advanced techniques, and inspiring stories. Whether you're a foot care enthusiast or a professional, there's always something new to learn. See you next time.